Ushiso yini speaker lo? Ya lama suppliers lata ubhadala. Liswap liyabhadala umthelo including amaswap asemayona. Ayabhadala umthelo. But there is no benefit yokubhadala umthelo. Lo sito lele kubaleki nje tiya enkundleni yinye. Usibhadala ama-supply enkundla yinye. Now to check ngilenye inkundla ngilenye. Thing 4 nje tinkundla kwanza tiya-benefit yazo tinesitweni la government. Thing 4. So speaker lesikufelako kunokuthi aseyiphele le tendency bahlonishwa noma umendakeme lokwenza abahlonishwa ema-beggars. Uhamba umhlonishwa uyocela isito lekufanele uhulumende alise ezivele. Ikhanza umhlonishwa uhule lapha siminister lo umhlonishwa nayo. Just because wena ufuna sithi ufuna abantu basemayiwana. Sipasisa lama-bill let the help, the service delivery be spread equal without umnengana. Ungasuki nje yokuguga bawethu ukuthi ngikuphela emendeni umgwaqo. Wesake beke plan yakhe phasi adistribute equal umsebenzi. Uthi uzocheck i-youth yasitakala yalo minister wa-youth. Sitakala i-youth yakhe. Uthi uchecka wethu because unalo minister wangiyabekisa speak. Otherwise nawe uyakwazi nje ukuthi letinye tindzawo yalo letinye tinkundla tikatholutho but letinye inkundla kwakuwa-store kwakuwa-sibhedlela kwakuwa-police station letinye umgwaqo konke imigwaqo letinye inkundla tibizile sitophasisa-ke lelonda siphasisela lo mhloyo yena yedwana lamaswati akhe angcono kungani alamanye amaswati. That's the biggest problem, Mr. Speaker. Such that nale cabinet, if not harsh on them, they'll even gather together and say, "Kuwa Musabu 2028 like as if you can." But just because people evade their control, let them control this thing equally. Namaswati. Look, now you speak as Tabushok, now you report it out and about it. Now you support it, please speak.